Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful high-end looking silver sunburst mirror for only a few dollars using materials from the dollar store. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at either Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. We will need one large round wreath form and a round mirror. You'll notice that I've already painted the frame gray from a previous project that I decided to disassemble. We will also need a large silver charger plate, 3 packs of silver plastic picks, 2 packs of silver plastic spoons, a string of silver beaded necklace, and some round gem stickers. As per most of my craft projects, we will also need some white glue, some hot glue, and some E6000. I got my glue gun from Amazon, and the E6000 is from my local hardware store. To start, we will place the wreath form flat on the table and then place the charger plate upside down into the wreath form. Use a combination of E6000 and hot glue to adhere the charger plate to the wreath form. The E6000 will provide permanent hold while the hot glue will provide instant hold. Make sure you apply the glue to where the charger plate and wreath form touch. I find that with dollar store products, the items are not always perfectly shaped, so you may need to test it out before you apply the glue. To allow the E6000 glue to adhere fully, I would also recommend placing something on top of the plate and waiting for 12 hours before handling the plate and wreath form again. Next, use the same glue combination to adhere the mirror to the plate and wreath form. Then take the plastic spoons and use your hands to break off the round part of the spoon from the arm part. We will only be using the arm part of the spoon for this project, so you can set the round part of the spoon aside for a future project. The number of spoons that will be required will depend on how you space them out around the mirror. Dollar Tree sells their spoons 24 per pack. For my mirror, I used about 2 packs of spoons. Next, we take the gem stickers and adhere a line of them down the middle of each spoon arm. Once you have enough, start gluing the spoon arms down onto the charger plate and wreath form with some hot glue. Make sure you space the spoon arms out evenly, about 1 centimeter apart from each other. Once the spoon arms are adhered, then we repeat the same process by placing the plastic picks in between the spoon arms. Already you can see how beautiful this sunburst mirror is turning out. But we're not done yet. To add more glam, we will adhere a string of silver beaded necklace around the border where the frame and mirror meet. For this, I would recommend using some hot glue and white glue. The hot glue will help quickly set the first bead into place while you glue down the rest of the beads with the white glue. The white glue will take a bit longer to set, but will dry invisible. The final embellishment is to apply some gem stickers along the frame as well. And there you have it. We have created a beautiful glam sunburst mirror that looks so high-end, but only cost us a few dollars to make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.